All right, guys, we're very excited to be here with you today, and we have a special guest with us.
Connor.
Connor is here all the way from
Washington.
It's a long ways across that ocean. And we have a very special video because we're going to, this is the key, they know.
Oh, Freddie, you saved that.
Maybe we should let you open this.
You open that and everyone can introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm the monkey, Carlos.
Yeah, you kind of just turn around and see what you have as tools to open it.
Who are you?
This usually works. There you go! There you go!
That worked really well, actually.
That worked extremely well.
Oh, who are you?
Barb.
Jesse.
It's only...
Connor.
Yeah, you're introduced.
You're the diamond ticket winner, right?
Yeah.
We had a special contest on the Braille shop, BrailleSkateboarding.com, where if you bought stuff, you would be entered to win a trip to the Braille house. And this is your trip to the Braille house.
Yeah.
And you just got here, and you're already about to shoot us in the face.
Wow.
Toilet paper blasters, skid shot. Welcome to the Braille
There's
house.
a pair of safety glasses behind you. You might want to put those on.
Yeah.
Spitballs, pretty much.
Barb, you looking good.
Oh, it shoots spitballs, pretty much.
Uses real toilet paper, feeding mechanism, water tank, air chamber, loading machine, trigger,
I said a loading mechanism.
load toilet paper, fill
machine.
water reservoir, blast up to 30 feet, I'm out.
What? That's amazing.
I'm getting so much of this onto the roof.
No, Fatty, please! Oh, wow.
We got more than one.
This got very dangerous. Yeah. The one thing we don't have, toilet paper. Go ahead and open that up. You can open up yours, and I'll open up this one.
Just quietly, I think that coffin had spider nests inside of it.
Wait, what?
It's okay, I was only inside there. I knew there were spiders, remember I said?
You did.
Are you there? Are you home? Okay, I'm sorry. Hey, Gabe?
I'm supervising.
Oh, I'm so glad I'm not playing a game of skate right now. See, this is a freaking pro right here.
Seriously.
I'm already there too.
I'm not building it. I'm just here for moral support and get shot at.
I'm glad you know your role, Carlos. So wait, do we need actual rolls of toilet paper?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can somebody fetch the toilet paper? Thank you.
I'm here to cleanse you. Yeah.
Wait, our toilet paper rolls are too big.
No.
Oh,
Do you have one of these already?
No, this is.
it's just natural instinct. Betty, it is not a race.
Yes, it is.
No, it is not. Not everything has to be a competition.
I need toilet paper.
These guys need to quit monkeying around, dude.
Go ahead, son.
Dude, that feels weird, okay?
Betty, what are you doing, mate? Okay, hold up. Don't shoot me yet. Oh!
Ew.
All right. Let me take over. Let me take over.
Oh, come on.
Let me take over. No, don't shoot the Don't shoot the camera! This is my new mic! Oh, this is so wrong.
I thought they were all
Oh. Dude, he nailed me right in the cornea.
Yes.
Ow!
You give him guns for 1 second.
Why does it hurt? Give me that. Give me that. You're banned.
All right, guys, so we're gonna play a game of skate. We're gonna Rochambeau, and then we have 3 shooters. The only rules are all of the rules apply. Ready?
Oh, God.
Goodbye, everybody.
Carlos doesn't do well with things like
It is Carlos, and then Aaron, and then McNugget, and then Fetty, Nigel.
I'm not getting a turn.
I'm sorry.
This is what I'm gonna say, okay? You have to face the shooter.
You have to face the shooter.
Yes.
Shooters, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Shoot Aaron right in the face. Thank you. Reload faster, guys. Let's go. Redoing that.
Oh! Oh! Somebody just...
What happened? I was gone for 3 minutes.
I can't get no cleaning of this mess.
Oh! Hey, what happened to to facing the people. Good.
Remember how my toe was messed up?
Yep.
It's still messed up.
Whoa, backside slider.
Oh my God. I'm done.
We have an injury on the field. Someone call a medic. Wrap his toe in toilet paper. He'll be all right. Oh. 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 Shoot him right in the eye. You shot him in the eye.
I just shot it.
Hector, good job. Good job, Hector.
That was a really good shot. That was a good shot.
I did not, dude.
Oh, is your eye okay?
I can't even open it, but that was a great shot, dude.
No mercy, Hector. You better shoot him. Ow. Wow. Rebate? Yep. Oh! The ground's getting a little slippery. Oh.
Toilet paper bits.
Over there.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you, Troy. Whoa!
Oh my god.
Did that just happen? That's crazy.
Whoa.
Whoa! The toilet paper's in your head! Oh! Carlos, land this for me!
Chris.
The Braille house is now just one giant toilet. Nice shot! Dude, Aaron's getting freaked out. Yeah, Aaron! Oh! Did you shoot him in the lip?
You got me right here.
Some toilet paper on your lip, boy. Oh, you keep nailing him in the head. Whoa!
Stop shooting me in the head.
Oh! Yes! No, oh, the heel bruise.
Right on the heel.
I'm sorry.
I'm tired of getting hit in the face, so it's kind of a win to
Yeah.
get out of this game.
Aaron wins! Go light him up.
All right, so we shot this quite a bit and it's really rad. I just wanted to cover some of the features so you guys fully understand how this works, what this is, what's going on here, and how to rock this. So you take a roll of toilet paper and you put it on right here. Perfection. So you just go like this and you just sort of feed it in there. And then this black part right here is what pulls it in. See how it starts to pull it in? And then this water on top is what gets it wet because it is a spitball situation. You gotta give it a couple feeds, cock it, and then you put that down, and then that's how it fires. Ooh, did you see that? Did you see how far that shot?
Luke's mind is blown.
Oh! It does go fast.
Oh!
So you see, it just goes for days and days and days, and the toilet paper just rolls, and it just slowly feeds into this. You have your water, makes that work, and then it shoots right out of there. You can actually, like, stick it.
It stuck to my car yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh! Ew.
It feels like a spitball.
It is
It is a spitball.
Nailed him. Oh no.
Thanks.
Uh-oh. All right, guys. Well, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. I hope you had fun watching that video. It was really fun to make. I literally got shot right in the face right here, mid-air on that last trick, and somehow put my feet on it. A huge thanks to TP Blaster by Jax Pacific. You guys can get one of these in the link in the description below. These were really, really fun and a super blast. We're gonna keep shooting it at each other for days and days and days. So thank you for watching all these videos. Check out all the other videos in this playlist. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and we will see you in the next video.